Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about picky eating in adults explained and how to fix it. You might avoid unfamiliar foods or skip meals if something smells, looks, or feels off, even if you've had it before. 1. What you avoid. Bitter, sour, slimy, or lumpy foods are common turn-offs. Mixed foods or dishes where items touch can be uncomfortable too. 2. What you eat. You stick to comfort foods, toast, fries, grilled cheese, crackers, and usually tolerate salty or sweet flavors. 3. Childhood roots. Picky habits often start young, especially if meals were stressful or you had a bad experience like choking. 4. Sensitive senses. You may react strongly to smells, textures, or flavors, though research is still catching up. 5. Meal anxiety. Social meals can be stressful. You might worry there's nothing safe to eat and feel embarrassed when pressured. 6. Know your why. Change is easier if you're motivated, like setting a better example or easing tension with loved ones. 7. No one-size-fits. Try kid-based tips, eat fewer snacks, track progress, and build up appetite before meals. 8. Skip the pressure. Don't force it at parties. Try new foods in calm settings with supportive people. 9. Start small. Pair new food with a favorite. Take a bite or two, no pressure to finish it. 10. Use favorites. Add cheese, sauce, or toppings you like to make new foods less intimidating. 11. Change prep style. Cooking affects taste. If you dislike it raw, try roasting, steaming, or sautéing. 12. Keep trying. You might need 8+ tries. Watch others eat it, cook it, or just taste and spit. Small steps count. 13. Get help if needed. If you gag or struggle with texture, an occupational therapist can help you adjust. 14. When it's serious. If picky eating affects nutrition or weight, it could be ARFID, a treatable eating disorder. Being a picky eater as an adult is more common than you think, and with small steps and the right support, change is absolutely possible. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.